Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we'll discuss how we can fix OBS microphone not working on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. OBS is a tool. With the help of it, you can create a screencast video. However, when you try to record your screen, audio might not get recorded due to some issue. So to fix it, you can try out this troubleshooting method. First of all, start by checking microphone access. For that, right-click on Start button, open Settings, then click on Privacy and Security option. Here scroll down under Apps Permission, simply select Microphone option. Now to allow microphone access to OBS Studio, simply turn on Microphone Access toggle and scroll down, and here you will find OBS Studio. Simply turn on this option to allow microphone access to OBS. Once you have allowed microphone access on OBS, simply open OBS Studio, and here on microphone option, simply click on this three dot icon, then click on Properties option, and from the drop down menu, simply select the microphone you want to use as a recording device. Then click on OK. After that, try to record your screen with audio. If still you are facing the issue, then you can try out to update audio driver. For that, right-click on Start button, select Device Manager. Here simply expand Audio Input and Output category. Simply select your microphone, then right-click on it and select Update Driver option. Now to update the latest driver, simply click on Search automatically for driver, and it will install the latest available audio driver for your system. Then click on Close. Now close the Device Manager window. Now to apply the update, simply restart your system. For that, right-click on Start button, then click on Shutdown or Sign Out, then click on Restart, and it will restart your system. After that, try to use OBS Studio, and it will fix the issue. So that's it. This is how you can fix OBS microphone not working on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.